Alright, good morning everyone. It is 9:50 a.m. Volcano Bay opens at 10 a.m. and I've actually never been to Volcano Bay. So this is my very first time. So I haven't really officially gotten to the park yet, and the theming is already amazing. Wow. This is the main entrance for Volcano Bay, and then right up here is the Cabana Bay Universal Hotel. And if you stay there, you get early access into Volcano Bay.
Corn or bananas for lunch.
Okay, so when you come in, they give you this bracelet, and you use it for virtual lines. That's really cool. I love going to parks that I've been to a lot, but there's also something exciting about going to a park you've never been to, whether it's a theme park or a water park. So I'm not entirely sure what all this place has to offer. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a walk around the park, see if there's anything I want to do specifically. But I love going to water parks on days that it's not busy. It's so just relaxed today. There's not a lot of people at all. So this is the winding river. So this is a big water slide, and this is the first ride I'm going to do. So apparently what you do is you get your return time first. So I'm going to figure out how that works. Oh, it says ride now. Go on ahead. Okay, I just got off of the blue one, and that was awesome. So basically this entrance, it's two different slides. So there's that green one over there. I think it's a little less scary. And then the blue one is the one I went on. And that was a giant drop. I was not expecting it, and I was at the part of the raft that goes backwards during the drop. But that was awesome. So the green one, basically, you're riding on the back of a turtle, and then the blue one, you're riding on the back of a whale. So that was very cool. So this is where you get off on the slide that I just went on. See right here? You go up the wall, then there's another part, there you go up that wall too. This is a beautiful water park. I haven't even gone to the other half of it, but it's so well themed. Very nice. The food here looks pretty good, like throughout the park, not just this place specifically. That Hawaiian pizza doesn't look bad. Alright, so this right here is an aqua coaster. So I've been on one other water coaster called Cutback. It's at Water Country in Virginia. It is pretty fun. So I'm gonna try this one out. Alright, so I just got off the water coaster, or the aqua coaster. So it actually goes to the volcano. That was really amazing. Wow, the slides here are really good. So I'm definitely gonna be coming here a lot. This is probably the best water park I've ever been to, not gonna lie. Yep, so this is the water coaster that I just went on. And it looks like way up there at the top, those tubes, looks like they're closed. I'm not entirely sure, but I haven't seen anyone go on there. I know there was like 3 things that were closed today. Not entirely sure what they were. So this is Hunger Racers. It looks like your typical water park slide where you have like 4 of them and you all go down at the same time so you can get to the bottom first. It's fun, I'm gonna do it. Alright, that was fun. And the water was super warm. I read that they keep the water here at like 80 degrees. But that water was a lot warmer than the other slides I went on. That was fun. Feasting Frog. Their food looks good. Or it sounds good. I haven't actually seen it. So it's almost 11 now. It's starting to warm up a bit. This is the Fearless River. And this is Hammerhead Beach. Alright, so you put on a life jacket and then you ride through the Fearless River. So my understanding is that it's like a really fast, lazy river. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Here's the water coaster. Alright, so that was the Fearless River. That's pretty cool. So you just get life jacket and walk right in. It takes you around the whole park pretty much. I'm gonna do it one more time. Alright, we're coming up on the end. I'm gonna get out this time. So I don't really have a clue where I'm going. Just sort of walking around, but I think I just did a circle in the wrong direction. I'm gonna go walk somewhere and go grab some food. It's so easy to get lost in this place if you haven't been. I think I'm finally starting to get the hang of it. It helps that each side of the volcano looks different. So just remember what side of the volcano you're at and which one you need to get to. So you can see it from pretty much anywhere here. Alright, so you scanned your bracelet. You're welcome. You can spray people. Okay, so this is the big body plunge. So you're in a tube and the floor falls out from under you. So I've been on one of these before. Actually, been on a few of them. Water Country has one. It's called Vantage Point. It's really cool. You go in a volcano. Those kind of slides make me a little nervous, but I'll do it later on. So this is like your main gift shop. Tuku Traders is like Volcano Bay merchandise. So like Volcano Bay t-shirts, cups. They have some Universal stuff. And there's some things out here too. And then Bikini Tiki. They sell like swim gear, that type of thing. Okay, so this looks like it would normally be a ice cream place. So they do have towel rentals. And it's $6 for the whole day. And then locker rentals. It's $10 for the small one. And if you have a regular size backpack that doesn't have a ton in it, it'll fit right in. Well, it's the same exact size as if you go to Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure for the roller coasters or rides or whatever. They have those small walkers that are free. It's the same size. And those are 10, I believe they said. And 16 for medium one. And then large one's 20. So this looks like a restaurant here. And I am ready to eat. First place that's open that I walk by. Oh, here's another gift shop. So masks are required indoors at all Universal places. I don't know if they're required in the gift shops. I haven't seen any like guests wearing them in there. So this is the first place I walked by earlier. So coconut curry chicken. I also saw that they had coconut crusted fried chicken. That was good. Mango barbecue pulled pork sandwich and pepperoni pizza. That sandwich right there on the bottom looks good. So this is Kahola Reef Restaurant and Social Club. So I'm gonna try this out. You can do a mobile order here. So this is the full menu. So Kahola Reef. I went bacon burger. All kinds of good burgers. Sandwiches, chicken, seafood. They also have salad, sushi, pizza. So one of the places, earlier I saw the Hawaiian pizza, that looked good. Wonder where that is. Not sure. So actually you can do a mobile order, or you can do it this way, like cafeteria style. The pizzas do look good. I got the Kahola chicken sandwich. So it's tandoori chicken. It's got, I think they said avocado mayonnaise, some sort of slaw, lettuce, tomato, fries, and then the combos come with a milkshake. So it looks really good. No, I haven't been here on a busy day, of course, but they have a lot of outdoor seating at this restaurant, which is great because I do not like whenever I go to a theme park or a restaurant or whatever that's quick service, get your food and go out, and they have no seating and they don't have enough tables and chairs, and people are standing around holding their trays waiting for someone to get up. But there's a ton here. I don't know if when it gets busy it gets filled up, but there's a ton of seating. Okay, these fries are so good. The seasoning's really good. They're like crunchy on the outside and like soft in the middle, like they should be. And they have like the perfect amount of salt on them. And they're hot. They're really good. So that sandwich was very good. So I'm in a lot of like Universal pass holder groups and things like that on Facebook. And I've been hearing a lot of people saying that Universal doesn't have great food. But I don't think that's true. I guess you have to order the right thing, but everything I've had this trip has been very good. It's starting to get a little bit busy. It's the middle of the day and it's warm. But even then, it's not crazy. So I'm just gonna chill here in one of these chairs for a little bit. I might get up and do some rides, but I think today's just gonna be kind of a chill day. Just kind of, you know, getting used to everything because it's my first time. Usually when I visit a park for the first time or a water park, I like to just, you know, walk around, see what all they got. And then when I come back the next time, I like to do a ton of rides. But just relaxing by this volcano, it's so nice. Because where I live, it's 26 degrees today. But I get to sit here by this beach in Florida sun, having a great time. The music's on, so the waves are about to come on. I'm gonna go ahead and walk over to the pool, go swim in there for a little bit. So way up there is the tube, and you end up right here. So I'm a little nervous, but I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'll be proud of myself if I get it over with. So the entrance is right here. The Kahola body plunge. 125 feet. Okay, I just got off. I made it. I am not doing that anytime soon. It's not as scary when you're on it as it is leading up to it. I'm glad I did it, but I have never been up so many stairs in my entire life. You walk up like 500 stairs, you look up, and there's like 10 more flights ahead of you. So yeah, you get locked up in this tube, and there's like this intense music playing, and you're standing there leaning against the wall, and then the floor just drops out from under you at any moment. And I didn't even have a chance to catch my breath before I got on after walking all those stairs, but I'm glad I did it. Universal has a very strict no recording on rides policy. So I have my GoPro with me, which I've been using in the pools and stuff. But unfortunately, I don't think you can use them on the water slides. But that's okay. It's still a beautiful park and there's a lot to see, even when you're not on the water slides. So this is cool. It's like a employee only area. that says danger volcanic activity. I'm gonna go ahead and do the aqua coaster one time. Alright, so we just got off of the aqua coaster and it's very fun. The only part that I don't enjoy too much is that there's literally like these misters that are spraying you with water throughout the entire time, like spraying your face with water. So it's kind of hard to breathe. You get like 2 seconds to breathe and then you're getting water sprayed at your face again. But it's really fun. It has like pretty big drops. So it's very, very fun. So there's some sort of volcano walkthrough. I think this is it right here. I was told that there would be a lot of cabanas on the way there. So I think this is it. Oh, so this is how you get to some of the slides. So that's the free fall. And then that's the blue and the green one, I believe.
Kahola, welcome to my kingdom.
This is cool. So I guess I'm just walking in the direction of the slides. But I don't know if there's a place to put your stuff up here or not. Oh, alright, so I guess I was right. I guess these slides are closed off. I'm gonna walk down here and see what's down here. I guess this is the other entrance for those slides. And it looks like it's ripped off. In this direction is the body plunge. This is the Reef pool. So this is just, I guess, like a calm pool for kids, I guess. Alright, this is a better view, but that clear tube right there, that's where you fall down and then come out through that tube and out into that little pool on the other side of that area. These waves are pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this is some of the clearest pool water I have ever seen. I think staying at Cabana Bay would actually be nice, maybe for like a weekend. Stay there and spend like 2 or 3 days at Volcano Bay. Or spend the weekend here. And you're right there at it and you get early admission and everything. And you can enter through the lobby. So I might have to do that at some point. I don't think I walked through here yet, actually. But yeah, I guess there's some construction going on over here. It says, volcanic activity, do not enter. That's pretty cool. So this is your typical, you know, theme park, water park snack stand. They have churros, popcorn. They have souvenir buckets, ices, and that type of thing. So this is the oh yeah and the oh no water slides. So Oh Yeah finishes with a 4-foot drop, and Oh No finishes with a 6-foot drop to a pool 10 feet in depth. Strong swimming ability required, so I think I'm gonna do the Oh No. Okay, so I just got off the Oh No, and that thing was no joke. Wow. So that was really cool. The Oh Yeah and the Oh No are the same thing, except you literally, like, you come off the slide and you get dropped into a 10-foot pool, and one is 6 feet, one's 4 feet. That was crazy. But I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna film the end of it. The Oh Yeah is the green one, and the Oh No's the purple one. It definitely feels a lot scarier than it looks. And I didn't really know that when you come off the slide, you like go straight out and into a 10-foot pool. So I wasn't really expecting it at first, but it was really awesome. There's another pretty calm pool right here. You get sprayed by these fish things. And when you're going down the Oh No, it feels normal till you get to the very end. And that drop, like when you're just falling into that water, it feels like it's never ending. It's 10 feet, so normally on a water slide when you go into a pool, you would be trying to look for the ground, trying to touch the ground with your feet, but this is just not there whatsoever. And even when you swim up to the stairs, it's still 10 feet under. So it's not like it's slowly moving into shallow water. So this is Bamboo Jungle Kitchen. I saw this on the app, but I never saw it in person until now. But their food looks good too. These are some big slides. We get to have 2 riders at a minimum. Actually, I don't think I've done those green and blue slides up there. So I'm gonna go walk in that direction. There's 2 sides, the blue one and the green one. And the only difference is one is open and one is completely closed. So I'll go ahead and do one. So that was pretty cool. I did the one that's completely closed. So it's just your basic water slide. There's no big drops, no going up walls or anything. But if you don't like big drops or anything like that, it's a good one. So the green and blue slides up there, that is also an enclosed tube. But I don't think you go straight down on that one. I think it's sort of like turned into a slide. And you're going at the same time as the person in the other tube. They're going to be closed till the end of February. So I think they close a few things during the winter. I guess it's because it's off season. So I think I have done every single slide that you can do with just one person that is open. So I'm going to do the winding river for a little bit, for the last hour that the park is open. And then I think for a few minutes after I do that, I'm going to go back to the beach over by the volcano and dry off. So this is where the winding river starts. I think I'm gonna do a quick lap around. So life jackets are not required in this one, like the other one. And they have, whatever you call these, rafts, pool floats, donuts, whatever. They just have them floating all throughout, so you just kind of grab one. Kind of hard to get reason the water's moving. Alright, it looks like most people aren't actually like sitting on top of these. They're sort of holding onto the handles, leaning back, and swimming with their feet. There's water drops on my camera. So this is the one that you can spray people on. Scan your wristband up there, and it spits at you. Oh my gosh, it's sprayed in the eyeball. So that was the lazy river. Super awesome. There's about 40 minutes, I think, until the water park closes. I think I'm going to spray someone one last time once someone walks by, or swims by, rather. It didn't even come close. They're trying to throw water at me. water park is so well themed. Like all the plants, the music, the food, giant volcano in the middle. This is very fun if you enjoy thrill slides, if you enjoy just chilling by the beach, like just swim in a pool. There's something for everyone here. If you do come and want to do the big water slides, and this goes with any water park really, if you want to go on the big slides, make sure you are ready to go up some stairs, especially the ones up in the volcano. Oh my goodness, there are so many stairs. So it is January. I know most people wouldn't really think of going to a water park in the middle of the winter. There's a lot of water parks here in Orlando that are open year round. If you're not sure if you should go to a water park in the middle of the winter when you come to Florida, definitely do it. It's not as crazy and not extremely hot like it would be if you were in the middle of the summer. So water parks tend to close early. So today, Volcano Bay is open from 10 to 5. And I thought it wouldn't be enough time to get everything done, but I actually did a lot and I had a lot of extra time too. I'm gonna go check out the gift shop. So this is one gift shop.
You didn't say your name. Did it not close? No. Only the top. But then this door doesn't say. Yeah.
We have some cool stuff in here.
I did my job. He was telling me that on the schedule on Monday, or whatever day the 10th is, that I'm scheduled 1:30 to 6:30.
I like this. Oh, they have a pin. Oh, focus that. I like this pin right here. I have a lot of pins from different theme parks, but I don't really have any Universal ones. I think I'm gonna have to start collecting those. Like this magnet. I love the beach towels too. They have a lot of different ones. So that was Krakatoa Katie's. And then we'll walk back in this direction to the Waturi Marketplace. So I'm not gonna go in Bikini Tiki because I don't really need any swim gear. But I'm gonna walk into Tuku Tuku Traders, see if there's any shirts that I want to get. This shirt. This one's really cool too. It's $38. The shirt is $28. There's shirts and souvenirs and stuff. Or really anywhere at Universal. They're all reasonably priced. I like this Spirit jersey. I'll walk in here to see if they have anything good. Oh, I like this right here. That's cool. Smells good in here, like the beach, sunscreen, pineapple, and all that.
I would say if you do ever have
Alright, so Volcano Bay is officially closed now. Universal's Volcano Bay water theme park. That was absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to be going back a lot more. Had a great time. Food was good, rides were good. Wasn't crowded at all. Temperature was good. So thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you click that notification bell so you get notified for all of our content. Make sure you leave a comment down below and smash that like button. And thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.